ever traveled to a new country and suddenly felt completely stuck because you didn't know what to say? I have once. I was in a small cafe abroad trying to order lunch and I ended up pointing random food on the menu. I had no idea what I was getting. In this video, I'm going to make sure that doesn't happen to you. I'll teach you essential English phrases for travel so you can feel confident when ordering food, asking for directions, or dealing with emergencies. Let's get started. First up, ordering food. Eating out is one of the best parts of traveling, so here are some simple but powerful phrases. Could I see the menu, please? This is a polite way to ask for the menu. I would like a sandwich, please. Or, can I have a sandwich? Both are polite and clear ways to order. If you don't know what to choose, ask, could you recommend something? When you're done, you can say, could I have the bill, please? Simple, right? These polite sentences makes ordering much easier. Now, let's talk about finding your way around. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Is this the right bus to the airport? If you're using a map, say, could you show me on the map? And a useful one, how far is it from here? Always start with excuse me. It makes people more willing to help. Sometimes unexpected things happen. Here are phrases that can help. I need help. I've lost my passport. I need a doctor. Where is the police station? Where is the hospital? And remember, before your trip, learn the local emergency numbers. This is so helpful. Here are a few more phrases that will make travel smoother. Could I check in, please? Where can I exchange money? Do you speak English? And never forget, excuse me, thank you, and please. These three magic phrases work everywhere in the world. Traveling to a new country can be so much easier when you have the right words. Practice these phrases before your next trip and you will feel confident and relaxed. To help you out, I've prepared a free PDF cheat sheet with all these phrases. Check the link in the description and download it so you can keep it on your phone when you travel. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons every week. Safe travels and see you next time.